Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, and today we are gonna make cheesy chicken patties, and they are gonna be scrumptious. So let's do it. We're good. First thing I'm gonna do is chop up a couple of chicken breasts. I'm gonna try to chop these up just as small as I can get them. Little tiny dices. I saw this recipe and I just happened to have all of the stuff. So I'm like, we're doing it. We don't have to go to the grocery store. We're doing it. Little tendon there. I don't want that in there. Let's go wash up. We don't want to catch the salmonella. Now we're going to grate up an onion. All right. Now we're going to grate this onion up. She made it look really easy, but it's not. All right, forget that. Forget that. We'll put what we've got in there, but we are going to forget this. Forget it. That's ridiculous right there. We're just going to chop this onion up as fine as we can. Lord. My gosh, that'll take all dang day. Get that thing grated up. We're just going to give it a chop. As fine as we can get it. I think we can do it. So that's probably about a half a cup of onion. I'm not using that whole onion. It was ginormous. Now we're going to do 2 eggs. I'm going to grate up some of this Monterey Jack cheese. And I'm going to use my this grater right here. All right, let me open this up. Kind of wet, so maybe that'll stick down and then lock it. It feels pretty secure. It doesn't. It's okay. I'll try to hold on to it. Proceed. Where there's a will, there's a way. Just push down on both. There we go. I'm going to make it work. It's okay. There we go. We probably don't need all this cheese, but since I was going after it, I wasn't going to stop. All right. There we go. You should have used that for the onion. I don't know. It's over now. I use about half of this Monterey Jack. I'm going to say that's probably about a cup. Put in some parsley. You can use fresh if you have it, but I don't have fresh, so I'm going to say about a tablespoon, a good tablespoon of that. I'm going to use Kinder's The Blend, which is salt, pepper, and garlic, and I love this stuff. So we're going to go ahead and do the same, about a good tablespoon. Half a package of dried ranch dressing. So I'm just going to put in just about half of this. Let's do it like that. A little more. That looks about like half. There we go. We'll save the other half. We're going to put a little mayo in there. I'm thinking probably about a half a cup will do. And that looks like just about what is left in this jar. So probably about a half a cup of mayo. Grated Parmesan cheese. Let's do about a cup of that. All right, scant more. Give this a good mix. All right, I'm gonna get my skillet hot and I'm gonna put some oil in there, and I'm gonna just use some vegetable oil, regular vegetable oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour into my mixture to kind of help bind it together. Probably about a quarter cup, and get that to where it'll bind together just a little bit. You'll know. Just kind of get it to where it'll kind of stay into a patty shape. Let's get this going. About medium heat. I'm just going to form these into some little patties. Just about that size, so they'll cook pretty quick. And since your chicken's diced up so small, it's going to cook pretty good. Pretty fast, pretty quick. Let's make these little patties here. That looks about right, where it kind of starts to dance for you when you put it in there and you start seeing it kind of bubbling around. So now we're going to just start placing these in gently. Oh yeah. These are going to cook for about 2.5 minutes on each side, medium-high heat. You want to get a good scald on them. They're going to be nice and crispy. on each side. These are looking nice and golden, so now I'm going to give them a flip. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. So about the time you get all your dishes washed up, these should be ready to take out. You want them really crispy, just like that. Let me show you. That looks good. Now I'm going to put them in this pan right here. You can put them on a rack if you'd like, but I'm going to put them in this little pan, and I am going to let them drain onto this paper towel. But now I'm going to put them into a 350-degree oven for a little bit while I make a sauce for them, and you can take time and make a salad, but just going to go ahead and stick them in the oven for just a little while because it is chicken. And I'm just going to be extra cautious on the chicken. I don't play around with the chicken. All right, so turn this off. I'm going to stick these in the oven at 350 degrees while I make a little sauce for them, just for a little bit, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, let's make a little sauce. Let's do a little dab of sour cream since I have it. If you don't have it, that's fine. You can just use the mayo. Do about a half a cup of that, quarter cup, half a cup. Same on the mayo, about the same. Just like that. That ought to do it. Maybe a little bit more mayo. There we go. Now I'm going to use the rest of my ranch packet. Now the recipe that I saw had cayenne pepper in it. I don't have any cayenne pepper, but I'm going to just do a little bit of the spicy Cajun that I just happen to have. So you can kind of play with it. Do a little bit of that. I'm going to do a little Kinder's, the blend, of course I like. I got to put that in there. And then I'm going to do just a few crushed red peppers. Looks good. I'm going to see if I have a little bit of lemon juice. I know I don't have a fresh lemon, but I'm going to check. I do have artificial lemon juice, so I'm just going to give it a squeeze. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's give them a try. Bit of sauce. Probably serve these with a nice salad or some rice, or just as a snack. That looks delicious. I can't wait. Home run. I'm pretty sure this is my new favorite snack. Oh my gosh. You guys got to make these. They're delicious. Look at that. Go make these. Greg is going to love these. Remember to expect something great to happen to you today, and make something great happen through you today, and have a fantastic day. We'll see ya.